Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Miguel, and I'm back at you with another video. And in this one, we are going to be talking about the most powerful app inside of your phone. See, here's the thing. Everyone is about this online money making thing. Everyone thinks it needs to be all extra complicated. Everyone's trying to get famous on Instagram. Everyone's trying to live that laptop lifestyle. But no one's considering the fact that there are thousands, hundreds of thousands, potentially millions of dollars sitting inside of your phone right now, inside of one particular app. And it doesn't even have to be downloaded. Your phone comes preloaded with this app, and there's literally money sitting inside of this app in this exact moment. And once again, you don't have to download anything, it's already in there. And the app that I am talking about is the Mail app. I'm talking about the one that you get and receive mail from. There's money literally sitting inside of this app right now, and it is up to you to take advantage of it. But in order for you to take advantage of it, you have to know exactly how to use it. You hear me talk about all these things that we use to consume as tools, and that's because that is what they are if you actually use them that way. So once again, the email app, if you notice, if you open it up, I'm sure you'll see multiple emails from different services, different companies, all of them trying to sell you something, and majority of them probably do it in the most salesy, pitchy way possible. And there are a few that you are subscribed to that you actually enjoy because they talk to you like an actual human being. Those are the ones that are most of the time actually making significant amounts of money, and you will be surprised just how much money people are making from email. Me personally, I've gone a full week where I helped a client make exactly $20,000 in a week just based off of email marketing strategies that we were using. I have a mentor who said that a good 75% of sales at times comes from the email marketing things that we do. Splashman, who you've seen on this channel, has an entire agency based on helping Shopify store owners make more money from email marketing. People are not using it, and it's basically like free money is just sitting there. If you have a business and you are not collecting leads in this exact moment, you are leaving money on the table. If you are collecting leads and you are not actually marketing to them and selling your services and providing value with different videos and free products, you are leaving money on the table. If you do not have a business and you were thinking of ways to tap into this app, turn on the faucet and watch the cash flow out, there are businesses out there that I just told you are missing out on money. They're literally leaving the money on the table. There's money sitting inside of their phone, inside of their laptop, inside of this one app. And all you have to do is master email marketing. Come to them and let them know that you have this high income skill and you are willing to leverage that and help them make money in order for a cut of the profits. This is the way to make money. You help someone else make a shitload of money, and in return, they will give you some as a thank you. It's that simple. Either you're the one with the business and you're able to use the email marketing in order to make money inside of your business, or if you're not the one with the business or you're not the one with the following, then you go to the people who have the following in the business and you give that skill set to them in order to make the money. These are literally, it's either business to customer or business to business. It's that simple. And you can use these skills to either make yourself more money in your business or go to the businesses and help them make more money, and then you'll make money in return. Take advantage of this app. There are different courses out there that you can use. There are different courses, there are different books. This motherfucker bowls.
Looks good.
The Hayden bowls, everybody.
Everyone subscribe.
Oh, there are multiple courses, there are multiple books that you can use in order to learn about this, but for the most part, it's simple as copywriting and just understanding the different strategies that are going on when it comes to email marketing in general. The second that you get a hang on that, you'll notice that you're able to make significantly more money in your business or help a business owner make more money in their business through email marketing. So this is a short one. It's very straightforward. Email marketing, email marketing, email marketing. Like, that's all I have to say. Take advantage of it, make more money, and like, comment, subscribe, as you heard Hayden Bowles say. Peace.